So I'm inside in the kitchen and I hear this knocking noise. And when I open the door, I see 3 or 4 huge red-headed woodpeckers. Probably 8 or 10 inch. There's one right there. I guess they're woodpeckers. Fly away from the shop. And I still hear one just beating the hell out of my shop. Now at the back door, it looked like somebody took a hatchet and chopped up a bunch of wood. And I couldn't figure out where it came from. But whatever this bird is, there's several of them out here. There it goes. Look at all these chunks of wood. They are destroying my shop. Trying to get to these stupid carpenter bees. And I just saw that's where it came from. Look at that, inch deep. So we're gonna have to figure something out.